Use the app called Insights Timer, Meditate and Sleep. So here you have it, the best meditation app. Sleep better, increase focus, reduce stress, create a routine that works for you. Meditate with the world's largest library of well-being content. Practices to heal and energize. Live yoga every day. So here you just have it, and then you can just tap get, double click to install it. And yeah, so that's basically the idea in here. Apps of the year winner, Time Magazine and Women's Health. More time is spent meditating on Insight Timer than all other meditation apps. Happiest app in the world. So I haven't heard about it, but yeah, seems this is kind of old app, quite advanced, which you can then just open it up. And then yeah, you can just join the people. You can see the this onboarding. I'm just showing it to you. And then yeah, you just have it like this. And then yeah, you can just see how it works. There is pretty cool that their plus subscription is optional, so that's quite good. And then you can just set your intention and start doing all these checklists and doing post meditation, all of these timers, starting bell. So that's the idea. You can see all the teachers, you can see saved playlists, challenges, courses, downloads. And you can also invite a friend. So I don't know if I sign up. So let's check out. So you can easily create your account with Apple ID or Google. And that's the idea in here. So basically here you have it just like that. And yeah, so you can use this link to create an account. I don't know whether it will bring something to you or not, but yeah, that's just what you have. And there are also widgets in here, like there is huge library, there are challenges. So yeah, I think this is one of the best app to meditate, and try it out definitely. So take a look.